Hello Wendy, it's Rob here at Vast Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2016 Can-Am Spyder F3T, which has 3100 kilometers on it, and the price is 21,888 plus HST and licensing. This motorcycle comes fully certified. As you see, it comes with a backrest for a passenger, saddlebags. There is the luggage room in the front as well. Has a cruise control. It's a semi-automatic, no clutch. So here's the condition of the tires. Yeah, bike is like in perfect shape. So if you have any questions regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212 and I'll be more than happy to assist you. There is the USB connector and auxiliary. It has the radio, built-in radio and speakers. It's really nice motorcycle. Thank you.